It's another episode of Marketing Tip Mondays with Bamboo Sparks, and since we're in the giving season, I want to share a marketing strategy that has to do with giving your books away. No, don't switch. All right, don't stop watching because I said something that seemed preposterous. Giving your book away is a good marketing strategy to sell your books. Marketing Tip Mondays with Bamboo Sparks. I'm C. Ruth Taylor, and you may be saying, what? After I've spent so much money to publish this book, why should I give it away for free? And how could this be a marketing strategy? Well, if you employ this strategy, I can say that your books will get seen and sold in order to create the impact that you want it to have. Now, many authors in the fiction community are very familiar with this model. For authors who have a large backlist or writing series, they tend to make their first book in the series free. And this is to build up credibility and to introduce themselves to prospective readers, because one of the greatest challenge an author faces is being unknown. So by making the first book in the series free, they are building credibility, because if the reader likes this first book, chances are they will buy the other books. And so what they do in this free book is that they introduce the readers to their back catalog. Now you may be saying, what if I only have one book? Should I give it away for free? And my answer is, it's up to you, but you can. But here's how. When you publish your book on Amazon, for example, and you make your ebook exclusive to Amazon for 90 days, they have a 7-day period in which you can give away the e-copy, whether that is for a day or all 7 days, to introduce yourself to more prospective readers and build a new fan club. And you can give it away for free. So limited giving, right? You could also create like a short story or certain books that you give away for free. So when I wrote my book, Authorpreneur Secrets, I took out a section of that book, the first part, and I created a book, a smaller ebook from it called The Rocket Writer. And that book has had over 2,000 downloads from Amazon, and I've gotten a book reviews, and that book introduced readers to my other books, and it also helped me with other paid products that I have with my books. So you can have mini ebooks that you put up for sale, or if it's fiction, mini stories that you give away for. This is one of the strategies authors use to build up their fan club and get readers. And so I want to encourage you to use the book gifting method as a marketing tool to get more of your books seen and sold, especially if you're writing many books. Make use of the Amazon Kindle 7-day marketing thing, whereby you can make your book, the ebook, not the print book, because that costs money, right, for free for a number of days, because what you're looking for is visibility, and you want to build community so that you can get more of your books sold in the long run. So if you don't think I'm crazy and want to try this method, I want to encourage you to try the free book gifting method. All right, that's it for today.